come back.
It was at this moment that she knew. She up.
All the best for me. Hello, and here I am after a very long time from lockdown. First of all, thanks for being patient and waiting for my videos. I really mean it. Thank you so much. And also thanks for nearly 200 subscribers. I'm really happy that 200 of you are watching me. And I know most of you are my friends, but still, thanks for all the support and love.
별빛이 내린다.
Thinking of a microphone, which I don't really have one yet, so finally went away with another voiceover, but I promised you to buy one only if this video reaches to 10k views and 1k subscribers, so do subscribe or else. And I'm not a greedy person, you know.
She could have used her mobile to record, but she decided to do drama out of it.
And to begin with, what to begin with? Oh, okay.
Is she for real? She even forgot what she was doing.
And I just randomly decided to do a mirror. It's not the first time. I have some next to the switchboards here and there, and one I drew panda and another one is some tree, and I love pandas, they are very cute. And it's always been my desire to try on a big wall, and which came true of course in the lockdown. But it took me 2 big months to complete it, which I initially thought I could complete within a week, but poor confidence, right? With positive energy, I started drawing. First, I started outlining with a pencil on the wall, with full of confidence thinking I could complete it in 2 or 3 days, but I was wrong.
When was she even right?
As soon as I started with the paint on the wall, it took a lot of time and my confidence got really hit on the second day when I was struggling to draw a line on the wall with a paintbrush, and my stiff hands did not really help me either. Maybe I think my relationship with the paintbrush wasn't good enough and we did really had a starting trouble. What can I say? And by the time I did bottom half of the drawing, my lines got pretty much straight and I gained little more confidence with that. But still, I made a lot of mistakes here and there. And I used a poster color to draw on walls, so it was easy to erase my mistakes through wet cloths and plain brushes. And do you believe me if I said that I completed the most of the wall just by this tiny poster color bottle? Well, you people should. Now you may ask why it took me around 2 months to complete it. Well, let me begin.
Heads up, she will be complaining more than explaining.
How should I even start it now? And the main thing was me being lazy.
You got the lazy!
And I used to run out of my patience and get frustrated easily and also got tired easily as well. And yeah, this is the reason why you should exercise regularly, kids. You should really listen to some people who make real sense. Got it? And also I started modeling in the between, which also consumed a lot of my time. Don't even ask me why I did that. And on serious note, I had some exam which I had applied for, but later it got postponed because of paper leak. And this is how I procrastinated my wall drawing for almost 2 months. And moving on, I did draw bottom and middle part of the wall easily, but the hardest part was to reach the ceiling. As you guys can see, I am shorter than the actual wall which I decided to work on. So what I did was to drag this wood and thick and beautifully rusted table to the place where I want it to be and place another not
environmental
friendly, small, ugly looking stool on it so that I can reach the ceiling, but it was of no use. I still struggled to reach the ceiling, but somehow I managed to paint the wall, which I'm so proud of. And kids, do not try this at home. And this is the very dangerous act that I have ever done in my life. And the struggle of getting up and down from this chair was painful because I felt like I might fall anytime from here and break my teeth.
No! God, please, no! No!
So warning, do not try this at home, and even if you want to, then you can. But just don't break any of your body parts and be safe.
Montage.
And this was the drawing. I got it from the Pinterest. I first drew on the paper, later to the wall. Sorry, I forgot the artist's name. I searched again, but I couldn't find him or her. That's because I drew on the paper like 3 years ago and on the wall 2 months ago, and of course I forgot the artist's name. And this is the final result. The wall looks so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. And on closing note, where I had my brother who always feared that I might ruin the wall. So I made up my mind to prove him wrong with lots of confidence, of course. So you always need someone to demotivate or to push you so that the best of you is ready for the challenge. And it may or may not apply to everyone. Either way, work towards your dreams. Don't give up. And if you had made till this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. See you all again. Love you.